The universe is vast. Billions of galaxies, trillions of stars. And yet, silent. This is the mystery that physicist Enrico Fermi posed in 1950. If intelligent life is common, why haven't we seen it? Why no signals, no visits, no undeniable evidence? This question became known as the Fermi Paradox. It is one of the most intriguing puzzles in science. Today, we will explore its origins, possible solutions, and what it means for humanity. Imagine sitting at lunch with colleagues, as Fermi did, and suddenly asking, "Where is everybody?" That simple question sparked decades of debate. Astronomers estimate that our galaxy alone could host billions of Earth-like planets. Statistically, life should be everywhere, but the observable universe remains quiet. This silence is not just puzzling, it is haunting. It forces us to rethink our assumptions about life, technology, and survival. Before we dive deeper, make sure to subscribe to ParaX. We bring you paradoxes explained simply every week. Hit the like button if you love mysteries that challenge logic. Now, let's begin the journey into the silence of the cosmos. The Drake equation is a famous attempt to estimate the number of civilizations in our galaxy. It multiplies factors like star formation rate, put on its beta star, probability of life, and longevity of civilizations. Even with conservative numbers, the equation suggests thousands of civilizations could exist. Yet, we see none. This is the heart of the paradox. Let's break it down. Stars are abundant. Planets are common. Life on Earth appeared quickly after conditions stabilized. So why not elsewhere? One possibility is that intelligent life is rare. Another is that civilizations do not last long. Maybe they self-destruct before reaching interstellar travel? This idea is called the Great Filter. It suggests there are barriers that prevent life from spreading. Some filters may be behind us, like the origin of life. Others may be ahead, like nuclear war or climate collapse. This raises a chilling question. Are we doomed to fail? Pause for a moment. Think about how fragile our civilization is. One global catastrophe could erase centuries of progress. This is why the Fermi Paradox is not just about aliens. It is about us. If you are enjoying this exploration, leave a comment with your thoughts. Do you believe the Great Filter is behind us or ahead of us? Your perspective matters. Now, let's explore the possible solutions scientists have proposed. There are many possible answers to the Fermi Paradox. One is that aliens are here, but we cannot recognize them. Maybe they are too advanced, and we mistake their signals for noise. Another is the zoo hypothesis. Civilizations may observe us, but choose not to interfere, like humans watching animals in a reserve. There is also the idea that interstellar travel is too difficult. Distances are enormous. Energy requirements are extreme. Perhaps civilizations remain confined to their planets. Another solution is that we are early. The universe is young compared to its lifespan. Maybe intelligent life will bloom later. This would make us pioneers. But there is also a darker possibility. Civilizations may destroy themselves once they reach technological maturity. War, resource depletion, or artificial intelligence gone wrong. This is the Great Silence. It warns us about our own future. Think about nuclear weapons, climate change, and pandemics. These are real threats. If civilizations elsewhere face similar challenges, most may not survive. This makes the Fermi Paradox a mirror. It reflects our fears and hopes. If you want more people to discover these ideas, share this video. ParaX is building a community of curious minds. Together, we can explore the mysteries of existence. Now, let's move to the implications for humanity. The Fermi Paradox is not just a scientific puzzle. It is a philosophical challenge. If we are alone, then life is precious and rare. We must protect it at all costs. If we are not alone, then where are the others? And why the silence? This silence could mean danger. It could mean civilizations collapse before spreading, or it could mean they choose isolation. Either way, the paradox forces us to reflect. It asks us to consider our destiny. Will humanity survive long enough to explore the stars? Or will we vanish like countless others? This is why the paradox matters. It is not just about aliens. It is about survival. It is about meaning. It is about the future. So what can we do? We can invest in science. We can protect our planet. We can build resilience against threats. And we can stay curious. Curiosity is our greatest tool. It drives progress. It keeps us searching. It keeps us alive. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe to ParaX. We bring you Paradoxes Explained Simply every week. Download our free guide on paradoxes for deeper insights. And don't miss our next video, where we explore another mystery that challenges logic. See you soon.